This is ARLO Pro 3 bundle, and today I'll show how you can share the camera access in this device. So to start, you will need to take your phone, here launch the ARLO Secure app, tap at your profile picture, go into the People section, then tap at this plus icon, input all those necessary data such as the person first and last names, their email address, Jake Bananas, for example. Then input the person's email address here. This is the email address that they will receive an invitation on, or if they already have an account registered under this email address, they will receive an in-app notification. So, going onwards or going forward here, you select the devices you would like to share the access of with your respective person. Then decide if you would like to grant them with allow access rights or not. And then just send the invite out here. Yep, and I've entered my own email address by mistake, so let me enter another one. And once the invite gets sent out, that's how this form looks like. Now the other person just needs to accept this invite on their end, and once they do that, that means that the access has been shared successfully. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.